Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I will make Perogy Casserole, and these are all the ingredients. 24 pierogies or 907 grams. Dried parsley, mushrooms, onion, canned diced tomatoes, salt and pepper, oil, in this pot here I have this water for my pierogies and let it boil. Now the water is boiling and I will put these pierogies in there. And let it boil for 10 minutes. For those people that didn't know what pierogi is Ukrainian food. It's made with, you have to make a dough and then you make a filling, any kind of filling you want, but this is made with potato, bacon, and Romano cheese. Now the pierogies are cooked after 10 minutes. You can tell if it's ready because it will float into the water. I will take this and drain. Now everything is drained. Water is draining good now. Just gonna put that back there for now. Now I will start cooking the vegetables for pierogies. I think the pan is warm now. About 2 tablespoons of oil. The onions. And then the mushrooms. Now the vegetables are soft, and I will add 1 3/4 cup of diced tomato, and half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and the parsley, 1 tablespoon. This is dried parsley. And I will add about 3/4 cup of water. And let it boil for about 5 minutes. While waiting for the mushroom and the vegetables for 5 minutes, I will move these pierogies into a casserole dish. Now the sauce is ready. And pour the sauce on top of the pierogies. And I will bake this for 350 degrees oven for 30 minutes uncovered. And see you guys later. Half an hour after, I will check the Perogy Casserole. Shut the lights off. Oven. It's looking very tasty and yummy. Look. That would be my lunch. See you later. Let's eat pierogies. I will taste good. Let's see. Put some mushroom. a little bit hot. It's very tasty. With mushroom and tomato. It's very good. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video. You have a nice day. And please don't forget to subscribe, share, and comments. Bye-bye.